Welcome to the Graceful Grammar Higher Secondary School Digital Class Level 4 Oxford Discover English Day 4. After taking this class, students will be able to understand the meanings of the words according to their context, according to their circumstances, and they will able to guess the meaning according to the text. What is contextual meaning? Contextual meaning depends on the preceding or following parts of a text to clarify meaning. Dear students, open your Oxford Discover student book. Let's move ahead. Open your student book on page number 17. Look at exercise E, words in context. Scan the reading on page number 18 and 19 of your student book and circle these words. As you read, guess what the words mean. Bodies, explore, inner, outer. Bodies, noun, the physical structure and material substance of an animal, plant or planet, etc. Second word is explore, walk, travel through an unfamiliar area in order to learn about it, to know about new things, to explore new things. Inner. We can use inner by as an adjective and as noun as well. Inner adjective. Situated inside or further internal. Inner as a noun, the inner part of something. Outer as an adjective, outside, external. Outer as a noun, an outer garment or part of one. Dear students, now open your book on page number 18 and 19. Read page number 18 and 19 and try to guess the meaning of those four words. Dear students, open your Oxford Discover workbook. Open your workbook on page number 13. Look at exercise D. Dear students, let's read out exercise D. Words in context. Read and write. Explore, body, inner, outer. Number 1. Asteroids are bodies that orbit the sun between Mars and Jupiter. Number 2. Planets in the outer part of the solar system are much colder than Earth. The inner planets are smaller than Jupiter and Saturn. The students explore the observatory with their teacher and the astronomer. Dear students, let's move towards home task. Read page number 18 and 19 and scan the reading and circle these words. Solve exercise E on page number 17 and exercise C on page number 20 of student book. Solve exercise D on page number 13 of workbook. Thank you so much for watching this video.